Something that makes me look at you too out there. Oh, baby, you can get.
So get a gel eyeliner or a liquid eyeliner, but I prefer you use the gel eyeliner as a beginner so you can have control over the product and the tool. So I'm using this brush. This is a brush I got from nail store, and this is from Paula in black. So I'm going to dip my brush into that. Make sure my brush bristles is well saturated with the product. Then I'm going to go ahead and look straight. So when I look straight, this is where my hood stops. So when my hood stops, I'm going to give it a line downward. Then I'm going to draw out a tiny bit wing line, connect it down like so, just to give it a triangle. Now that I already got the guideline, I'm going to create a slanted line coming downward. Then I'm going to fill in the space. After filling the space, I can go ahead and then extend the wing. Like so. So what I have left here, I'm going to fill in this part, then connect the rest of this line on my lid, like so, just halfway. Remember, what is coming down here should be lower than the wing. See, should be lower than the wing. So that is how you cheat your
Something